Let's escape reality for a few minutes and create a dreamy tablescape for your next party or event. I was inspired by Alice in Wonderland, which is a theme that I love to revisit over and over again in my crafts, but you could easily adapt this for a baby shower, a bridal shower, a birthday party. Anything you can dream up will work with this fun cloud tablescape DIY. Keep watching because I'm about to show you my cheat for how I quickly make cloud projects. I like to use Poly-Fil's low loft batting. That's it. Look, it already looks cloud-like. I use that as the base for all of my cloud projects so that I can quickly cover up whatever is underneath. So in this case, I'm using some leftover foam that I have from an upholstery project. So this is foam from Fairfield World. I've got batting from Fairfield World, and then I'm also using their Poly-Fil fiberfill. These are all awesome products that are affordable and easy to craft with. So I have covered up some scrap foam with the batting, and then I am gluing the cloud texture on top, which is the Poly-Fil. You'll see that with the centerpiece, I am doing that same thing again. I've got a vase, a glass vase as my centerpiece. I'm covering it up with the batting, and I didn't even need to glue that on. By tucking it into the vase around the flowers, it held in place so that all that I had to do next was grab a bunch of Poly-Fil fiberfill and my hot glue gun and just cover it up with lots of little cloud puffs, as I call them. You want to use little bits at a time, hot glue that on, and then keep adding little puffs, and at the end you can start fluffing them out to cover up some of the creases and lines that you'll see in there. Next up, we're going to create the big fluffy cloud that's going to hang over our tablescape. I'm using 3 lanterns that I have glued together with hot glue. Again, cover it up with that low loft batting, and I can quickly make a big puffy cloud that's not heavy at all. Now for the last thing, we're going to make some cute little table decor by taking some clear balloons, stuffing them with some Poly-Fil fiberfill, and then when you blow it up, it creates this cute little contained cloud. This will be fun for kids to bop around and play with, and it just makes a fun addition to this dreamy cloud tablescape. Once you put it all together, you can feel free to decorate it like I did with flowers. You can add a little cake topper. I made one that says on cloud 9. I mean, really, the sky's the limit. It's clouds, right? Have fun crafting and creating and dreaming up the next amazing tablescape for your event.